Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you if your Bluetooth is not working, so how to fix that. First you can go to your settings. After that, in settings you can go to devices. In devices you can see the Bluetooth and other device. Click over here. You can see you don't have turn on option. If you are going to select the Bluetooth, you can see you are getting this kind of error. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. First, you can try the first method, troubleshooter settings. Click over here, and after that select the second option at once. After that, click on Bluetooth, run the troubleshooter. Click next. In my case, my problem has not been fixed. If you are still not able, so I'm going to show you the second method to fix. So you can cut this page, you can go to your search box and search for services. Right over here, open the services and look for Bluetooth. There's three options over here, and make sure you go to properties, each of them, and after that make sure it's not on manual, it's on automatic. And after that click apply and OK, and make sure it's running. If it is not running, you can click over here start, and after that do the similar things. This one is not running, so just click over here to start and make sure these three of them are running, they are on automatic. And you can go ahead and look if your Bluetooth is working or not. If it is still not working, I'm going to show you one more method. So guys, we can cut this page, we can search over here once again, device manager. Open the device manager and we can look over here in device manager. We don't see any Bluetooth option, so what you have to do is go to view, show hidden devices, click over here. But if you see the Bluetooth device, you can just hit over here, go to properties, and if you are having the option to update your Bluetooth device, you can head over there and you can update and check if your Bluetooth is working or not. If you are not having the option of Bluetooth, so you have to install the Bluetooth driver. I'm going to show you how. If your problem has been fixed, you can leave this video. If your problem has still not been fixed, so I'm going to show you how to install the driver. You can open your Chrome. You can search for Bluetooth driver for Windows 10 or Windows 11, whatever you are using, or Windows 7 either, and you can click the first link and you will get this kind of interface of Intel, and you can download this driver and install. Once you install, you can go again to device manager. You will see the Bluetooth option over there. If not, view, show hidden files, and after that you will see the Bluetooth driver over here. You can simply go to properties and update your driver, and your problem will be definitely fixed. So guys, that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.